Hi everyone, we are back with another video. Today we are just going to unbox this wireless case battery for iPhone 7 Plus. Actually it's mentioned here for iPhone 6, 7 Plus and 8 Plus. So it's compatible with all the Plus series of the iPhone. So let's just start the unboxing. Before opening the box, this battery case comes with the around 6000 mAh battery inside. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the battery case. You just remove this plastic. Actually, this battery case comes with the two different things. Like this is a magnetic battery. It's like a power bank. If you want to charge your iPhone, you just need to connect this one here. Press the button, and it will start charging your iPhone. But if you don't want to charge your iPhone, you can use this as a normal case. And if you want to charge something else from this battery, there is a USB port available, which is like a 2.1 ampere output. You can connect the USB cable and you can charge something else like your smartphone, your camera, anything. So the concept of this case, ultra case battery, like it's an ultra case with a removable battery, you can say. It's not like a battery case only, it's a case with a removable battery. It's a magnetic battery, so you can just connect here and you can use. Let's connect the iPhone with this one. Let's see how it's charging. We have with us iPhone 6 Plus. We will just connect here. What we will do, we will just put it like this. Okay. So this is like a normal case, as you guys can see. If you want to charge your iPhone, there is a micro USB port is available. You can connect a simple cable and you can charge. And if you want to charge this one with this battery, just simply connect. It's a magnetic, so it's connected, and start charging your iPhone. As you guys can see, it's charging. This battery comes with the 6000 mAh, so you can charge your iPhone 6 Plus around 2 times, and if you want to charge your iPhone 7 and 8, you can charge like 1.5 times. So the concept of this battery is very good. It's like two things you can use. Simply, if you don't want to carry this bulky battery with you, you can put it inside your pocket or you can put it inside your bag, and once you want to charge, just connect it, will start charging. And at the same time, if you want to charge something else, you can charge. So we have this another smartphone, which is an Android smartphone also. So they already give the USB port here. We will just connect this USB cable and it will start charging another smartphone also. So the concept of this battery case is very good. If you want to charge the multiple devices from one battery case, you can charge because it's have a magnetic power bank. You can just connect and you can remove. And the best thing of this power bank, if you are traveling, if you don't want to carry the different kinds of power banks, you can simply carry this case with a battery and you can charge your multiple devices. If you want to buy this stuff, the link is inside the description. And most important thing, this model is not only available for the 6 Plus, 7 Plus and 8 Plus, you can also buy for the 6, 7, 8, and it's also available for the iPhone X. The link is inside the description, you can check it out. The prices and description, everything is available there. If you guys think this video give you some information, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to share this video with your friends, those who need this kind of battery cases, you can share with them. And if you have any kind of queries and questions about this product, you can ask in the comment section.